Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, you are going to learn how to insert a header image in MS Word. So to insert an image as header, double click on header space and you can see this tab is open, header and footer tab. So here you can see picture button. If you want to add image, click on picture and select the picture where you have saved it. I am selecting my channel's logo, so select it and click on insert. Now you can see image is added. Now you can change its size, and when you will enter outside, then you can see this is added as header. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.